2024, 2020, and so far our face shield 3D printing machines have hit over 14,000. So I'd like to take you for a walk around just to see what's going on for the last few months. So these are the machines. They've been running since we started sometime in March, and they have not stopped working. We've already given away for free about 14,000 face shields, and we had materials for 14,500, and this is what's left of the acetate. So we're sure we've already hit more than 14,000. I think we're running at around 14,200 plus at the moment. So that's about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe Ironman 4x4 Philippines YouTube channel, and we're just happy to share that we've given away for free more than 14,000 face shields. So this project is funded by various donors, and it's located at the Kabilog Planters Association office. So that's about it, guys. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Keep being socially responsible. Thank you.